Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove Instagram account from Facebook. If you have problem trying to find where to remove your Instagram account after you add it into Facebook, right? Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, first of all, you need to log in your Facebook account. Okay, after you log in, uh, go to your menu. First, you need to choose your profile first. If you have many profiles, you need to choose your profile that is linked to your Instagram. Choose your profile, and then you go to your menu here. Okay, my menu is actually at the top right hand corner. For some phones, right, the menu buttons, these buttons over here is actually at the bottom of your phone. So you look up for this menu, three lines icon. This is the menu. Click on it. Okay, down here, um, you go and click on this icon, which is the settings and privacy. Okay, settings and privacy. Okay, scroll all the way down. Actually, you can see there's a few functions, but actually it's not down here. It's actually all the way up. You have to go to this account center. Okay, account centers. Okay, under account centers, you see I got two profiles, right? I got two profiles. One is Facebook, one is Instagram. How do I remove? You see, it seems like I can. There's no button to remove it over here. Okay, no button. So how do I remove it? It's actually scroll all the way down. Come here to accounts. Okay, saw this? There's a remove button at the Instagram. Just click on remove the account. Yes. Okay. So basically, it'll tell you that you lose every connection and all these aspects. Yeah. Take note. You won't be able to log in across the accounts and share profiles and all those things. So just click continue. Yes. Finish remove. There you go. I have removed my Instagram account in Facebook. I hope this helps you. If you find it useful, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips on some techy issues and all that I will share with you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.